Welcome back, YouTube. I got a new music video out called Flowing from an artist here in Vienna, Austria called Gimbal, and today I want to break down one of the camera setups I did for it. The video takes place in and around an old car, so naturally we needed to get a car mount system. We had an extremely limited budget, and one of the ways that the directors wanted to elevate the production value of the video was to get a 360-degree shot inside of the moving car, similar to like this shot in the Trey Edward Schultz film Waves. Fun fact, I actually worked 11 years ago with the star of this movie, Alexa Demi. I'm glad to see that at least one of us made it to stardom. I have a DJI RS4 Pro gimbal and a DJI transmission, and I saw that interfaced really well with the Tilta Hydra Alien car mount. The RS4 Pro transmission and Hydra Alien turned out to be a really great combo. It was like having a remote head with focus controls. I found the Hydra Alien really versatile, and I used it in every configuration I could think of. So how do you put a camera inside of a moving car, have it pan 360 degrees without seeing the operator, and without no budget to hire Doggicam? With old cars, especially in the back middle seat, there's this bump by the feet, and that was our first big obstacle. First, we used wedges, apple boxes, and duvetine to build a level platform in the middle of the car. After we managed to do that, we used a section of the Tilta Hydra Alien to create a T-bar where we could put the gimbal on top of. We then ratcheted the gimbal to the apple box platform and then slid the front seats back, sandwiching in that platform to the back seats, holding it in place.
Oh, showed it!
That is crazy.
Oh shit, so we gotta drive like the sun.
Wow.
Amazing. Good job.
Wow, dude. Really nice idea.
Once the camera was rigged up and had director's approval,
Let's go, let's shoot.
we were able to follow in a car with a walkie-talkie, and I was able to control the RS4 Pro with the DJI transmission, including run, stop, and focus. And here's how the shot turned out. By the time we started shooting, the sun was a little bit too low on the horizon, and it created a camera shadow on the actors, so we only had a few usable takes. 5-10 years ago, I would have never been able to get a shot like this in a video of this budget range. Yeah, but that's that. As the director of photography, I'm really proud of the video and had a great time making it. Huge thanks to Shireen, Iris, Kuzal, and this channel sponsor, Stadt, Wien. Later.